Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome to my first vlog. Used to do vlogging a while ago, about a year and a half, 2 years ago, for fitness related content. But since taking on this journey in trading, I've accumulated a lot of knowledge and a lot of information and value that I feel like I could share and pass on to all you guys. So wanted to get into vlogging just to kind of express my thoughts, to get them out on camera, and hopefully you guys can get some value out of it. This video will just be a very basic vlog, how I keep my days structured being a full-time trader, what I do to keep kind of some type of control and some type of structure within my days. With trading, it does give you the freedom of all this time. You kind of need some type of basic structure in your life, otherwise you're just gonna get confused, muddled up. So that's what I plan on doing in this video, showing you how I keep that control and basically just keep it very casual and what I do in my day-to-day life. So today is the 2nd of November 2020. It's currently 3:30 p.m. here in Sydney. So as most of you know, depending when I release this video, it is a US election week. It's also NFP week, which is non-farm payroll. So very busy week fundamental wise. So I'm taking it very easy with my trades this week, only trading the highest probability setups and also just reducing my risk a little bit because there could be random news events, tweets, anything can happen this week. So definitely kind of just minimizing my exposure and risk to the markets and kind of just playing it safe this week. So my day-to-day routine, as I am trading full-time, in the beginning, since coronavirus hit and I lost my job and everything, I found myself in this void where it was such a good feeling to relax and just do nothing. But after like 2 months into that, I should rephrase myself, I wasn't doing nothing. I was still consuming myself with trading material and knowledge. But it was just a weird feeling because I wasn't really doing much in between that. I was still testing my system. I was still back testing and kind of learning my ways. And that's when I came across ASFX in April. So basically with my day-to-day routine, I have this cool daily planner. And what I do is, as a daily planner, is I kind of just structure my day. And every Sunday, I'll just take time to myself and I'll structure the whole week in front of me. So if I have anything I have to do, like this vlog was, scheduled in to do today, and then I'll break it up throughout the week to edit it, just so it doesn't get too overwhelming and I don't kind of knock everything out in one day and I just get burnt out. Because I am a trader, an active day trader, I'm at my screens for quite a bit, like a long time. I'm pretty much at my desk for almost 10 hours a day. That can get pretty tiring and it just kind of leads to a ton of burnout. You just kind of get sick of sitting down. That's why I got the standing up desk as well, which I will do a setup video for you guys because I've been getting a lot of requests of people asking, about my trading setup, my screens, and everything in between. So the standing desk is a must. I don't even care if you're not even a trader, get a standing desk. The best investment I've made, it helps your back, because sitting in a chair all day is not good for your back. My back's always killing me. Anyway, off the point. So yes, so as I was saying, very casual vlog today. What I'm about to do is usually Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays, I wake up in the morning, have a coffee, I come straight to my desk. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just going through my charts. As some of you know, I'm in Sydney, Australia, and I trade the London session. So I trade from 7 p.m. to about 10:30, 11 p.m. at night. During my day, it gives me a bit of time to go through the charts and just kind of pick out high probability trades, see what the market's doing throughout the day, strategize my plan of attack and create my watch list. What I'll do in the morning of the trades, I'll watch the ASFX recap, which is what Austin Silver does every day pretty much. He'll go through the markets, go through any trade setups that I've presented, any ideas he's had, fill us in on what's happened. So I'll watch the recaps on Facebook and then I'll go through the charts myself and I'll do my own markups. Now, for you guys that are unfamiliar with markups, it's basically a visual way of backtesting your system or backtesting any strategy. We come into the market, basically plot text everywhere, and we kind of just describe what's happening in the market, how price is reacting to certain levels, what happened when price hit certain EMAs. Just gives us a visual representation of how the market played out and what happened during the day, overnight, depending where you are in the world. So doing the markups has dramatically changed my trading and made me so much more of a confident trader, just because you have all this data and visual data as well to go by, where you can come in, review it before your trading session, just to kind of stay sharp, stay disciplined and know what you're looking for. And it just removes a whole ton of emotions from your trading. So that's something ASFX has taught me to kind of, with the markups. I never used to do that previously with my trading. It used to be just the Excel spreadsheet, and they just used to put in the data, which was entry price, time, what pair I was trading, stop loss, take profit, and exit price, and if price hit the targets. But doing the markups, you have all that data in between, and you can understand each pair's characteristics. So as most of you know, Euro USD has different characteristics than, Euro GBP or GBP AUD. Each pair has their own type of individuality. So doing your markups, you kind of understand how price moves and can gauge a better understanding on the pair you are trading. And a lot of traders have found their favorite pairs to trade doing this because they just understand it and they click with it, and you can kind of know what's going to happen or how price is going to react to certain levels. So that's that. I did start my markups this morning, but I got distracted with some other things. So I'm about to go finish off my markups now. Basically see what happened overnight for me with the markets, and just also going to pick out my watch list for tonight's trading session. So I've just finished my markups. I've gone through all the pairs that I trade, and I pretty much just find out what's happened overnight, kind of gives me some directional bias, and so I don't miss any opportunities coming into tonight's session. Understanding what price has done overnight, how it's reacted to the US market, any news that has come out overnight I should be aware of that may impact directional bias, interest rate news, especially this week. Today we've just had the Aussie dollar cut interest rates to 0.10% from the Reserve Bank, which is unheard of. Very crazy times we're living in. So I know a lot of traders just trade pure technical analysis. I'm the same. I don't use fundamentals in my trading at all, but I love finding out how fundamental news, interest rates, bank statements, sales, all that stuff that affects the economy, how it affects price, and how it moves price as well. So knowing that as a trader, knowing some of the fundamentals and how it kind of drives, it's not really needed, but for me personally, it helps me just feel confident trading market conditions, especially a week like this, or even pretty much all of 2020, how we've literally just had a crazy year with a global pandemic, lockdowns, recession, US election this year as well, riots, so many political events. It's just been a crazy year for the markets, and this just leads me into a topic I want to just kind of talk about with a lot of traders, where patience is such an important thing in trading. It's talked about in trading, but not talked about enough. As traders, you got to be disciplined, and I'll get to this in a minute, my exciting announcement. And basically, trading itself, the technical side of trading, where you push a button to get into a trade, is simple. You can literally trade support and resistance line by connecting the dots. And a lot of traders think that is too easy to be true. You're not going to make money that way. It needs to be more complicated. It's the complete opposite. I had that very same mindset where trading offers a very high reward if you become successful at it. That reward to effort is very hard for people to gauge, especially me, coming from a 9-to-5 background where you got a stable paycheck each week, and it was good, like it's comfortable. With trading, it's the complete opposite, and a lot of people don't understand that. With trading, it's literally all mindset. Understanding a system, understanding how to read price and read candlesticks, learn chart patterns. You can do that in a month. Being experienced and controlling your emotions, being confident in your system, backtesting your system, all the things in between, that is what's going to make you a successful trader. If you don't have confidence in your system, it's going to result in poor performance in your trading system and your trading career. So I guess like the best way to put it is like our edge we have in the markets in our trading is so slight. If we let emotions dictate how we take profits, how we get into trades, and how we manage those trades, you're not going to be a profitable trader. You have to follow a set of rules that on a proven and tested system that over time will make you money, not lose money. As soon as you put emotions into that plan, as soon as price goes against you and you freak out and take profits, you've destroyed the system. You're destroying the rate of return and how much money or how that system is meant to perform over the long run. If you get in a trade based off FOMO and you don't want to miss this massive move and price goes against you, once again, you're affecting the trade's performance over the long term. So leaving emotions at the door and your ego at the door when you come to your trading desk is the most important thing in trading. A monkey can place a trade and it can be a winning trade. It's literally a 50-50 chance of price going up or down, or it could go sideways, but eventually it's going to go one direction or the other. Having the confidence to pull the triggers consistently over time, that's where your trading edge plays out. Not for your emotions, not because you think price is going to do something, not because you have a gut feeling. It's purely following a strict set of rules and letting it play out over a certain period of time. This comes to my cool announcement that I want to let you guys know. Some of you know I've been with ASFX with Austin Silva since April this year, and it has changed my trading dramatically. It's changed my life, really. Surrounding myself with like-minded people, surrounding myself with Austin, which is full of knowledge and always encouraging the traders in the group to continuously grow. He's always pushing people to get out there and just seek knowledge and just become better, not just at trading, but in their day-to-day life with everything they do with health and fitness. If you follow Austin on social media, you know he's always at the gym, going for a walk, he's getting sunshine, he's meditating, he's in the sauna. He's eating good, he's enjoying life, and he's just completely relaxed, and he doesn't let the outcome of his trading performance affect anything in his life. Just like anyone, we are human, we're not robots, and we are gonna have days where we're gonna let a losing trade get to us. But it's up to us to acknowledge that, be mindful about it, and then get back on track. You can't dwell on it, and then you can't chase the market thinking, I'm gonna make back my money, because the market doesn't care. And if you start getting emotionally driven, just as I was saying before, it's gonna affect your trading career dramatically. My announcement is I am officially an ASFX coach, and this is very meaningful to me because, as a lot of you know, I am very passionate about trading. Ever since I found out about trading back in November 2018, I've just really developed a passion for it, and I love it. It wakes me up in the morning. It's a pure drive. So being able to coach people, especially under ASFX, and start especially new beginners off at the right foot is just an amazing feeling. So I'm officially doing one-on-one coaching calls. It is going to be trading related. It's also going to be a lot about mindset. And I've been doing a lot of work in the background trying to figure out a plan, a routine where I can help new traders understand and set goals, realistic goals, and most importantly, have realistic expectations coming into trading, especially if you're a new trader. I know a lot of traders get into trading because of the money. You know, they want to get rich. They're seeking that lifestyle. I've said this in many other videos and a lot of my Instagram posts. It's just trading is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to get rich quick. Just like any professional job you seek, it's going to take time. If you want to be a lawyer, it's going to take years. If you want to be a doctor, it's going to take years. You're going to have to develop that experience in the market. And that comes just with over time and experience from trading, watching price, how price reacts to certain levels, and how price moves. And that's why I love doing the markups, as I was just showing you. Doing that daily and building that into my daily routine has transformed my trading dramatically, because it just gives you a deeper understanding of what's happening in the market. And if you understand how price is moving and why price is moving, when you align that with your technical setup and your edge, you're gonna take trades, execute those trades with complete confidence, and you're gonna let them play out. You're not gonna take profits when you shouldn't be. You're not gonna close the trade out because it's going against you a few pips. And that's just the truth of trading. So I'm working heaps in the background to develop a program for new traders where we focus on building that mindset and building that discipline and controlling trading. In life, we don't really have control over too much, but the things we can control, we should start building systems around that and taking advantage of that. So we can control when we enter a trade, and we can definitely control how we manage that trade. And for example, like a lot of new traders are only trading with not a lot of capital. If you're trading with $1,000, even $10,000, if you're risking 1% of that account, you're only risking $100 of a $10,000 account. To some people, that's a lot of money. To some people, it's not. When you're trading 6 figures plus, when price starts to go against you, and you're focusing on the dollar value, and I've said this in so many of my other videos as well, if you're not emotionally ready to take a loss and you don't understand and you don't have confidence, you're gonna close it out. As soon as you see your price, your equity go into the negative, you're closing that trade. Human emotion, it's how we are wired. Our brain is designed to stop us from experiencing uncomfort. That's why it's very hard for humans to escape and do what we want to do and follow our dreams, because it is uncomfortable. But that's a whole nother topic for another video. That's what I'm trying to do. I want to help traders get off on the right foot. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. So that's what I'm excited to be working on with you guys. I'll put the link in my description below for my one-on-one coaching. The first 30 minutes is free. Basically, I am happy to help you guys go over whatever you need to whatever you're struggling on. I spent a lot of my time studying, learning the markets. I've been through a series of educators and systems, just absorbing all this knowledge and understanding of what really makes a successful trader. Comes down to literally mindset and how you approach the markets with your psychology and your emotions. As I was saying before, the edge we have in trading is so slight. You know, a series of little mistakes from letting your emotions get in the way, it will affect you. One of the biggest fears for a lot of traders is losing money. So I'm developing systems where it can prevent you from digging a big hole that makes it really hard to climb out of later. I'm excited to share some of this with you guys. I'm hoping some of you will reach out to me. Even if it's not for a one-on-one call, please, I'll put my Instagram handle here or email me, and I'm happy just to talk anything you're struggling with and just see what we can work out, because I'm living proof of someone who stumbled across trading and made it work. You know, I'm doing this full time now. I've been consistently profitable 4 months in a row, 2 months before that on demo when I started ASFX system just to gain some confidence. You gotta understand, like, there's gonna be some work involved. Not gonna happen overnight. Finally starting to see the payoff now, and it's been about 2 years. So I've done everything in my lifestyle to make trading easier. You know, I've got a massive cash buffer of 12 months. I'm diversified with passive investments. Trading isn't my only income. I'm making content for you guys on YouTube. I'm doing the mentorship. Having all this extra free time now helps me provide value and knowledge to you guys. If I can do it, you can as well. And with the right guidance and the right system, man, anything's possible. I'm really excited just to be able to share my journey with other traders and people that have similar interests. That's pretty much it for this vlog. It was pretty casual, just kind of giving you guys some insight, and also wanted to let you guys know that I am now doing one-on-one coaching. I'm providing value. I am giving you guys knowledge. I'm giving you guys some insight that through my $15,000 worth of education through various trading mentors, what I have learned, I feel like I can pass on some really cool stuff to you. And the first 30 minutes are for free for you guys. Schedule a call and I'll just love to talk to you guys about trading, because it's passionate for me and I love talking to other traders about it as well. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited too. I'm gonna get ready for my trading session tonight. I gotta go make dinner, kind of get myself in a relaxed state for my trading so I'm not so stressed out. I have another cool announcement which I'll let you guys know next week. It's got to do with funded companies, so I'll leave you on that. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are. Remember, NFP week, elections. The rest of the year might get a bit slow, so just be cautious trading. But like I was saying, follow your plan, be a professional risk manager, and protect your capital, and you'll be fine. Before I go as well, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe below. Like the video if you got some value from it, and hit the bell notification so you get alerted for my future content. Hope you guys have a great one. See you next time.